What's up everybody, it's KelseeBrianaJai here with a review on the new Dior Face and Body Foundation. And if you guys did not catch my video where I did an entire overview on the new Dior Backstage collection, I will have that link down below. In that video, I placed an order for the foundation. That foundation was much too dark. I ordered the color 5N, and to me that color is equivalent to about NC50, possibly NC55. So I went back in and placed another order on Dior, and it arrived in this box. The perk of ordering from Dior is having bougie packaging, okay? So for a foundation, they packaged it up like it was my birthday. I love that about them. But I placed an order for the color 4N. So I'll get into my thoughts on that color, but for now, let me tell you some specifics about the foundation. So here is the packaging. This is a $40 foundation. It has 1.6 fluid ounces or 50 milliliters of product, more than the standard 1 fluid ounce amount. So the description on Sephora.com says that this is a medium coverage foundation. It says that it's for all skin types. I have combination skin. It says that this foundation has a natural matte finish. I agree. I would even go as far as to say that I think it's a satin finish. This foundation also claims to be buildable and sweat resistant. The description says that Dior's Backstage Face and Body Foundation is the Dior makeup artist's secret weapon to create a flawless runway ready complexion for both the face and body. This waterproof formula fuses with skin resisting extreme conditions like workout sessions, water, and even high temperatures in humid environments. It can also be used to camouflage minor imperfections on the neck, shoulders, legs, or anywhere else. This foundation comes in 40 different shades. That's amazing. I'm so happy to see companies coming out with 40 different colors of foundation. So I know that with 40 different shade opportunities, it can be a little challenging to find your correct tone. I actually have ordered the foundation twice. Both times it was too dark. This foundation, in my opinion, does run a little bit darker. The first time I got the color 5N, based on the description, I thought that would be the correct color. On Dior's website, they don't have as many resources to find your color as they do on Sephora's website. On Sephora's website, they do have pictures of people. You can gauge which color you wear based on that. But when using those colors as a reference, I will say take into consideration the models are under studio lighting. That means it's super bright. They possibly are darker in complexion than they appear on the image. So whichever shade that you think you are, I would advise you to order one shade up from that. And I feel like that's the safest way when choosing it online. So here's the color that I have on 4N. This one is a better match. I feel like this color will be a great match for people who are NC44 or NC45. The color 4N is 1 to 1.5 shades too dark for me, so I'm going to go ahead and place an order and get the color 3.5 in, and hopefully this is my final and correct color. But I definitely made it work with my concealers and my powders. But the formulation of this product is beautiful. This is everything that I want a face and body foundation to be. It's super lightweight, but yet it still has medium coverage. It's going to give you that beautiful satin finish. It's buildable. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It's very luminous. It's very radiant, and I overall think that it looks beautiful. I want to show you guys the application of this foundation. I'm going to be applying it on one side with a beauty blender and on the other side with a brush, and then I'm going to wear it around for the rest of the day. I actually am not going to come back here at the end of the night. I'm not going to be home. I am traveling today, so I'll have to tell you guys goodbye wherever I am. So I hope that this video is helpful. I wanted to go ahead and get it out to you guys. That's why I didn't want to wait until I was able to stay home. I know that this is very pressing, so I hope that you guys enjoy, and I'll talk to you all very soon. So I'm going to take some on the back of my hand, and I'm going to first apply it with the beauty blender. I have to make sure to blend this down my neck just because this is too dark. So this is what it looks like with the beauty blender. Now I'm going to take more on my left side and apply it with my Artis Oval 7 brush. It's such a smooth gliding foundation. Every single nook and cranny needs to be covered, so not to give away that my foundation is too dark. So you guys can see the application with the brush and the application with the beauty blender. I actually like both. They're just going to give me two different types of coverage. It has a really beautiful glowy finish. The formulation of this foundation is beautiful. When it dries down, it still has that really pretty glowy finish, and you know, I just feel like it looks like a better version of my skin. It feels breathable, lightweight, perfect for summer. It's just a really nice everyday type formula. But I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my makeup, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. And then of course I'll be wearing this around all day. Okay, so here's everything all together. This foundation is so radiant. The finish is just beautiful. I'm interested to see how it's going to wear all day. I actually like how everything evened out on my complexion with me using my concealers and my powders to brighten up and bring light to certain areas. But overall, I love the way it looks. I love the way my makeup is sitting on top. So I'm going to continue wearing it around for the rest of the day. Stay tuned and I'll check in and let you guys see how this foundation is wearing. So I've had my foundation on for an hour and a half now. It still is pretty matte. I've been outside and I was sweating at first, and I still think it looks matte, and I still think it looks pretty good. The sun is shining out today. It's a hot day. I'm going around the mountains. I love coming around the mountains. So I'll check back in a few more hours and let you guys see the progress. So it's actually been a little bit longer than I anticipated it being for my second check-in. I actually have had the foundation on at this point for 7 hours. I've had such a long day. I've done a lot. I've been outside. I wish I could have vlogged a little bit more, but honestly, in the circumstances for which I'm traveling, it would have kind of been awkward. Here is how my makeup has held up throughout the day. It still looks really good, and trust me, I cannot wait to get in the shower and wash it off because your girl has sweated. Honestly, like, it's been one of those days. I feel like my face looks flawless. I love it. So I'm gonna do a final check-in for you guys and let you all see what the foundation looks like in a few more hours. Honestly, I could say bye now, but I'm gonna give it a little bit more time. I'm gonna let it go the full 8 hours. Maybe I'll check back in about 9 hours or so, right before I go to bed, and let you guys see a final check-in. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. So this is what the foundation is looking like after 11 hours of wear. Still really matte, looks flawless. I mean, I actually forgot to close out the video before I took off my ponytail, but hey, you get it how you live it, and you live it how you get it. But I think everything still looks good. For everything that I've done today, this makeup has stayed, and I think it looks flawless. I took a gamble, it paid off. I was kind of scared at first because I'm like, okay, if I put this makeup on and I have to see so many people today, I'm gonna be so embarrassed if it slides off and goes everywhere. It has definitely exceeded my expectations, and I am in love. I think it's overall beautiful. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section, and I will talk to you all in my very next video. Smooches. Bye.